welcome back to the Now Morning Show as our Diwali celebrations continue for you this morning. Joining us on set, we have Ravindra Ramhit and Amrit C. Persad of the Harry Persad and Sons Nritya Sangam Dance Company, who are going to be showing us an amazing dance called the Swagatam Krishna. But before we get to that, let's have a conversation about the significance behind this. So we're going to start off this morning with you, first of all, Ravindra. Tell us a little bit about the significance of the dance.
Namaste. So, Swagatam Krishna is choreographed in a Bharatanatyam style of dance. It's one of the classical art forms in South India, and it's in praise of Sri Krishna ji, and is basically an invocation asking Sri Krishna to come and show off his beauty and his music through dance.
And so it's definitely something that is very deep, of course.
Yes.
Would you say it's a form of meditative prayer, if anything?
Yes, it is a form of worship to the divine above, as well as it's in praise of their awe.
Wonderful. Now let's talk a little bit about, you just shared the significance of the dance itself, but let's talk about the significance of your attire, Amrit, because I mean, this is so regal and you definitely see some components that, let's just say in the Western world, are not necessarily the norm.
So, good morning. So the attire, basically everything means something.
Okay.
The pleats, as you can see, when he do, it is called Ardamandi. This is an artival. You can see the opening of the pleats. Male, female costumes are different. So we have the shawl. It's another piece. Nothing is done in Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay.
All traditionally came straight from the hometown, our homeland, which is India.
Okay.
And he expressed the significance, the attire, you know, makeup, everything done in a certain way. But Bharatanatyam is a classical form of dance which is known for its grace, precision, and expressiveness. So that's when you see everything in gold, the attire, everything that we wear means something. So we don't do just something. It came from our guru, which is Rishi Singh. He went in India like almost about 4 years, and that's where he learned the art form, Bharatanatyam, and that's where he is imparting his knowledge upon us.
Well,
and that's what we are going to portray this morning.
Wonderful.
In a moment.
We are excited to see your portrayal. If please, by all means, share with us this beauty, as you would have said, a form of worship. Let me take this mic from you. And by all means, the floor is yours.
Thank you.
Din takadum takadum din takadum takadum
takatari kukundana kita takadhi
takadum 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 takadum
takatari kukundana kita takadhi
takadum kita kita takadum takadum takadum
swagatam krishna sharanagatam krishna madhura puri sadana mridu vedana madhusudana iha swagatam krishna madhusudana mushtika sura chanura malla malla visharada kuvalaya pita mardana kalinga nardana gokula rakshana sakala sulakshana deva shishta jana pala sankalpa kalpa kalpa shata koti भारतं कृष्ण
What an amazing, amazing performance. Ravindra Ramhit and Amrit C. Persad of the Hari Persad and Sons Nritya Sangam Dance Company right here this morning on Now. Trinidad and Tobago and the world, stay tuned. There's more coming up on this Diwali edition of the Now Morning Show.
तकतरि कुकुन्दन किटतकधीं
धिं तक किट तक तक किट तक तक किट तक धीम